Hi, my name's Tom Zoke. I'm the Vehicle Maintenance Facility Operations Manager at Brightline Trains. I'm responsible for the running repair facility in West Palm Beach. This is the facility that stores the trains at night. I will also be responsible for the vehicle maintenance facility in Orlando that is being built now. I'm directly in charge and responsible for these facilities that house the trains. I'm also in charge of and responsible for the new equipment starts that are being built up in Sacramento, so I'm getting involved in that as well. What's so great about this job is you only need a GED or a high school diploma to get it. For instance, as an example, I started when I was 19 years old. I started as a mechanic on the floor, and I worked my way up all the way through management as a superintendent of cars. So it's a great job. It has great potential, has great opportunities. It's like any other job out there. What you put into it is what you get out of it. But what's so great about working on the railroad is all the on-the-job training and anything that you will need to know to perform your job will be taught to you right on the job. So it's a great experience. It's a great company to work for. It's a great industry to work for. Also, what's so great about it is you'll be able to learn some things that you never thought you could learn before. You're going to meet some incredible people. And it's also a job right now that is in very high demand. There's not too many people in this industry that know how to do or perform the things that we can do. So it's a great opportunity. It's a great field to get into. I really encourage all you kids out there to really take a look at this industry because it's really exciting and it's really rewarding.